car today. So because I haven't got a car today, it's just taking me literally an hour and a half to walk from Penryn to Falmouth. So why am I here? Well, today, Saturday the 10th of October, is officially Mental Health Awareness Day. And it got me thinking about when we were in our last lockdown. So during our last lockdown, a lot of us were working from home, a lot of us were furloughed, but we were given one piece of exercise per day. And the point that I'm trying to make is during that time, I made sure I got my one walk per day and I actually got out there and did something. But then as things started to get back to normal a little bit, and we start going back into the office and start working again, you end up getting home from work and going back into the old routine of not doing anything. Why is it that when we're told we can't do something, we make sure that we do it, but whereas when we've got complete freedom to do whatever we want, we slip back into old habits and end up not living our lives? So then it got me thinking, well, it's Mental Health Awareness Day. What is it that keeps me happy? And I would say it's one of three things. Number one is spending time with Kate and my family whenever I can. I think everyone really struggled with that when we were in lockdown and we couldn't just drive anywhere and go and see our family. Number two would be going out and exploring. And I love Cornwall, I love where I live, and I couldn't imagine going back into another full lockdown where I haven't got the freedom to just go where I want and experience new places. And number three is I enjoy making these videos. I enjoy filming them, I enjoy putting them together, and it makes me happy when other people enjoy them as well. Which brings me on to another point. One of my subscribers recently, on my last video, which was the stormy one at Cornwall Devon, said, oh, there was no drone shots, and I understand he was joking, but he was right. So sorry about that, supernova. So here are some drone shots of Falmouth in Cornwall. Enjoy. So I guess all I'm trying to say is, for the well-being of your mental health, get out the house and do what makes you happy. That's all I got. See you in the next one.